that was a whole 5-minute break. Morgan worked his magic. We restart part 2. As I said, I just need to get this thing going. We had 2 little pins that are stripped off. A little bit frustrating. Not sure what to do. And but connect those up and connect the big connectors. Grind a little, and hopefully she'll all turn on if correct. All right, so we're gonna keep going. Yeah, these are way too little. I agree. Like the one thing I did, because this is the second one that did it. The other one was a temp sensor, so it didn't really matter. But this one, I couldn't take, like I said, a knife blade. I don't like twisting cables. You're not supposed to twist them, I guess. See, that has connection now. It's good enough. That has connection now. But
I actually should just cut it open a little bit and try to
solder it. Well, that's what I thought of doing. And just then I know it's on.
Yeah.
And I've never used one of the pin solder guns. But is that what everybody uses? You just drop a little bit on there. Knife, sharp one, little.
Yeah, that's all.
Really? No. Damn. So that's all done in there?
Yes. I screwed it down.
Oh, damn.
Do you have a frame or something?
Yeah, you mean to cut it?
Yeah, to cut it.
Oh, I do it by hand. It's actually a bit easier with this. Really. Yeah. Yeah, not my ideal way of fixing things. And the tweezers are so little. No thanks. That is so much better. Yeah. There. So what do you guys think? Just like that? Is it gonna burn this? It's awfully quiet in here, isn't it?
Yeah.
We haven't been playing music so people can listen to us swear.
I know, I've been watching before earlier in the week.
It's not. So, man, these pins, eh? Like, look at that. It's so. Just want to take them out. But of course, they won't go out. Like, I just wonder if we could. You think like 2 little needles. Needles is too big, isn't it? 2 little pins. Well, it was nothing.
Do you have a good soldering machine with a small point?
Well, these guys brought a small point soldering machine. Just feel like dropping a tiny bit. When they come back, you can get them to help you put the lid on.
Yeah.
That'd be great. This is not a small point.
No.
That is what they call a unsmall point. I have this one, and then there's this one. No. And then I have this one, which is
Maybe you can put the wire in between something out. And then do something else.
You think you will?
That's the thinnest that you have.
Yeah. No, I probably have some.
Soldering water pipes with that.
Yeah. Water pipes, little pins, you know, same. No, this is empty. It's not. I don't know if the guys, they've been soldering here just now, so I don't know. Got this thing. This is pretty. This is so. Yeah. That's all I have. Not very useful for that at all.
Were that open pins or closed ones? Very good to know.
These? I have both. No, no. But these are too big. They're huge.
Yeah, then maybe we can put this one in top. Then you have a nice little pin.
Okay.
Soldering.
Okay. That'd be fun.
Maybe that will work.
This guy's coming in. All right. You guys, my brain is tired. So. Yeah, but I need all the help I can get at this point.
I hope it will.
But if you take a piece of copper, or you can try with that first.
A copper hard can.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, it's. Pliers.
You found the little one.
Yeah, it's like. Do you know when they were doing leadening? Did they find any smaller ones, or do they have any smaller? But I just melt it on and take a little bit and drop it. That's all we need, eh?
Yeah, but you want to have it secure. Not that it will drop off after a mile driving.
Oh, we just want to drive out of the garage and back up. Really, it's constant out there. Because then I have to still continue on later. Not tomorrow. Yeah. So, what ended up happening with the house and stuff?
Well, there has been quite much powder on the
You mean snow? Oh, yeah,
From the
extinguisher. Yeah.
yeah.
Did that save the fire?
Yeah. Or at least it saved the house.
Save the fire. Yeah, not right. Did it put out the fire?
Yeah.
It's not going to work.
No,
Yeah.
it's not tight enough.
I didn't want to call you earlier, so. No. Disturb you during our fun week.
Well, it's been fun, but really hard. The boys have been great. They're working super hard, motivated. Whoa. Yeah. Maybe. No. Tape.
They could solder it.
Yeah, probably.
No, but then it comes off. But do you think we could just use it to let it heat up and just
Put
touch
some
it?
wire around it.
But like, will it just heat up and get really?
Do you have a copper cable with
No.
thin cords?
I have.
Like this or longer, because then you can.
Just this.
This
Yeah, exactly. I should take that too.
really thin wire here.
Well, we will do this one.
Okay. Oh, I got you. You just wrap it around.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, electrician wire.
Copper leads heat better too. So.
Yeah, it's so hot, huh? And then I think I just put lead on there a little bit, or a little bit of solder on there. Take one around it.
Yeah.
Let me know when you're done playing, and I can show you how it should be done.
I think you
No, just kidding.
need to pop out a beer.
What might be a
What's that? Huh?
open pit would be with it.
Oh, we have to check beer too. Olive. Is it Oliver? No, I'm totally losing. Olof. Yo. Are you hungry? I'm gonna go ahead and make some food. And if you guys want to go in and get it.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Okay, it's okay. I don't know why I was thinking of doing something different. Okay, so. Should I go put it up? Okay. Okay, though. You like my table as the batteries thing?
Should I hook it up?
Yeah. So what should I do? Should I put like a little bit of solder on it first?
That's always good.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
that's what I was thinking, but it's just like. So family's okay, everybody's okay.
Yeah. We got a bit shocked.
Imagine. When your house is
Yeah.
okay.
Have it turned on it.
I was gonna put a little solder on the Here, you're gonna do it? Nice, huh? It's like it feels so weird to be doing this. It's kind of like, well. Nah, that doesn't help anything.
Clean it up a bit.
This is really good stuff.
Okay. Is that
It makes it run.
okay? What's distance?
Oh, yeah. A little closer. Boy, look at that. You want to do it? Are you used to soldering a little bit?
So solder that one, a bit solder on that one.
Yeah. Well, I was gonna put some solder on there.
How do you want this?
Okay. Oh. Can you hold the gun?
Yeah.
I need to. I can push it in, and you just touch it to it. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Du ser det först innan.
Ja.
Ska jag inte dricka rätt för? Nej, så himla trött om det sättet.
Oh.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
Oh yeah, it's on. That's sweet.
You have to put it deeper. The next one.
Yeah, exactly. So you don't.
Or cut it shorter.
Yeah, it's just amazing how that works. I was just like, Duke, and I'm like, whoa, that's hot.
That's a good connector.
That is a.
You don't
I
have
am
any
good
solder
connector.
on that one. The other one yet.
Matt, I can't see anything without that light. I think it'll take a little bit of tape around that, or after. Yeah, so next time. So should I get solder? Should I cut this a little bit, or?
No, that one is shorter than
Okay. Oh, wait. This stuff helps so much to get it in. It kind of like.
Perfect.
I think you need more. I can't get it in further than that. Yep.
Yeah, you think so?
Well, my finger couldn't take it. Nope.
Finger.
Okay.
Yeah, you
Get
can't
the
think.
solder on it.
You can't
Yeah.
think about the finger now. You need to concentrate.
Yep. Right.
Nice.
One more.
bit more magic bottle.
Yeah, I think so. God damn, that was close.
It's there. More.
Don't wiggle too much.
Not
There?
having bumpy roads.
Oh, but I'm gonna tape this together and then.
You don't have bumpers in Sweden.
Talking about bumpy roads here. Yeah. No. See that stuff? It's like it lets it go.
Yeah, and normally
Around.
for this kind of material you're using
Thinner one.
thinner one, but there's also inside the same stuff.
Yeah, exactly.
Damn, that's good. Oh, surgery. And so what I was thinking of doing now is taping it like this so it can't move. You know, like that.
Yeah.
I don't know if I should use the normal tape, ale tape, or the fuzzy tape.
The one with no glue. Selfie.
Yeah.
Skulle du kunna
Not self-inflated,
trycka lite i den där batteriutgången? Ja, precis.
Ja.
Bara så jag ser vilken det är. Såklart.
Exactly. Vulcanism.
Amazing tape.
Vulcanism.
Uh-huh.
Men den kommer inte att ut.
Okay. That is pretty nice.
What tape was this?
Oh, electric tape.
Okay. Yeah.
Now will it click in? Last thing to do.
Akta. Oj. Vad händer nu då?
Vad är bra?
Okay.
Ja, jag skulle ha haft den länge. Men...
Okay. All right. Now the. I was gonna say the easy part, but I'm just not gonna cry horse yet. I'm gonna take a big drink of water, and then we do this really. But you know what? You know what was that big holdup today? Killed like 3-4 hours. That's what killed the time today.
Okay. I don't need many.
No. So last night I got everything prepared. I got this stuff done, and what killed was we put the big contactors on, but I didn't remove the shielding. When I first did it, like this is my first ones I've ever done.
Yeah.
I've never done these before. High voltage stuff. Well, okay, I do high voltage every day, except we don't have shielding on it.
Yeah.
Have you ever done this? I almost called you last night if you had more 50 quadrat of this stuff. Yeah, and I figured you wouldn't. I was gonna write you a text, but then I remembered I had the North American Tesla charge cables, which are 50 quadrat. Otherwise, they're 35.
Okay.
But I had it that I removed from the T-Zone, right? And I'm like, yes, I have it. I could do it. And then, oh yeah, that's another thing I have to do. A little grind, little. Isn't that nice? Grinding on the thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry. Be happy. So, you guys speak of assistance. Oh, that one's already plugged in. So when I put the high voltage connectors on and I put the battery box together, and it just didn't feel right. And then the Stefan, the teacher, you know, I was thinking, isn't that shielding? If anything ever rubs through, it's going to ground to the car. And I'm like, oh. And then I phoned Netherlands and asked them, and yeah, sure enough. And I'm like, oh no, of course. Let me just.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I was wondering. I have to just file that and then I can read. Oh, I cannot think. Where is the hand file? Do you know where the yellow hand file is?
The yellow hand.
Bro. Oh. What? Oh, I can't do two things at once.
Well, have it over.
We need
The problem is the cable goes over this, and I don't want it to rub. It was a really sharp.
Hello, Olof. What's up? Nothing.
Ska ni hänga på den nu? Ska ni hänga på den nu? Ska vi? Nej, vänta lite. Eller ja.
Men det måste vara.
You know what else I have to find? I have to find a printer cable.
Fick du dit kabeln och täckte som helst? Nej.
You know the USB, the square USB.
Yeah.
They're like, yeah, that's normal. I'm like, what? I've never used that. I mean, we have it inside it somewhere. Basically, these have to cross, eh? This one's gonna go here.
Jag vill ut och testa. Han står så bara spela
Nice.
ut.
And this one's gonna go.
Fråga.
This one go under.
Man frågar aldrig för mycket.
So nice. No. I was thinking of taking. Hey,
Hey,
American legend. Yes, sir.
I'm back.
I'm back. Like that.
I tell the students, you don't need the hood there.
You don't need a what?
Du
The hood.
Oh, baklucka. Mm. Nah. That's true. They can just let it roll like that.
Är det ingen ny?
We just need to drive it.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yes.
Samma bil.
Look these
The
up
Ford
and then-
12. Ja, samma bil. Den står... Ja, det är den.
Nu ska jag dela.
Okej.
Part 2.
These are huge.
Två stora skor.
Ja,
Jag sa ju det.
well, go with that one first. But I think this one should go on under, right? To sit nicely.
Ja, ja, den.
Because
Vänta, vilken av dem? Inte den, det är den andra. Det är...
any other way doesn't do it.
I've tried that out.
I did, yeah. That's not good. Can't go that way.
Lite runt.
This is too. I mean, it could be.
Vilken är 60 vill du ha?
Är det inte vidare?
See,
Ta den yttre och så står det
it
nästa.
could be like that.
Yeah.
The thing is, I would have to put the screw on.
Så här, ta den där blir bra.
Right.
The first press down there.
Ta den.
Längst
Man är så
That's-
big,
that's-
strong.
That's
Man.
9 plus.
Ta
Det är
den.
den som är grejen.
Du
ska lägga den bredvid. Det är
Ja,
inget.
det doesn't slide on ut.
Nej, du trycker där. Det är ett spår.
Ja. Nej, vänta, förlåt mig.
Det.
Okej, stort.
Oh!
Ja, det var lite snett.
There, that one.
Det här är bara provisoriskt.
Sa du?
Yeah.
Eller sa du det?
Then it doesn't push on there as much either.
Press.
There. So that one's good. I just make it. Huh? It's a good length.
Tryck.
You get happy?
Måste pressa bort den.
I'm happy.
Oh, that's important.
Ja. Det sitter där.
Of course, now it's a bit too late, but
Okej, då har vi mig också.
possible to have this
Ja,
on
det kommer gå
the
om.
go there and then
Du har ju lagt den snett.
from
Ja,
that.
det var.
That's how I would have it.
Of course, it would have been.
Det ska inte.
Also, would have been better if these were switched reversed. Actually, no, it wouldn't have been. This is actually better this way and that way. But
Jag fick upp den i alla fall.
Den ska
no,
slänga
there's
ner.
this
This
card is so
Så där.
that it's
Där är
amazing
hårdare.
how much you have to do. Kind of make
Ja,
work.
exakt. Du ser ju, jag är bra.
Nu börjar vi bara...
Vad är det för picture?
Du ser.
Vad är det för pojkar? Oh, you don't know each other? No. Oh. Passi? Ulf?
Alltså,
Nej. Perre? Ulf? Perre? Bert? Not Perre.
Ska komma.
Herr... Well, long time here. He's Ulf is originally from Lillhärdal. Yeah, actually. As it turns out. What are they doing here? I have to actually think.
Du är stressad.
Nay, I am just. I'm tired.
you don't need that. No.
Yeah, I need to take this off, and then I have to take the ground off.
Jorden.
Yeah, but you don't need to hook that one up.
Oljan.
kan lämna bakåt på det.
Ungefär. Oljan är här.
You don't need to.
Nu kommer han.
De här två skulle kopplas in.
Har du med så länge?
Men det är det.
I'm from the Netherlands, so my Swedish is not that good.
My English is not so good.
Jo.
They're laughing. When I speak. They tell me, don't speak. Just now. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Oh, this one know what I mean. I hope.
That's good. So don't program it. Boss is an electrician. Well, now he's just an electrician boss. Yeah. Boss enough, huh?
Tonight, you're the boss.
You don't need to hook that up.
Patrik, can you do that? So Tom can maybe have the students back.
No.
Have the students. If you
Oh,
do it,
No.
maybe Tom can have the students. Tom?
Yeah.
Can you do that to Pastor, you think?
Yeah.
Or do you?
I have a way to do it.
Tom?
Yeah, I've been. Hang on a sec. Give me just 1 second. I can explain what I want to do, and then I did this a lot better before. Yeah, you do the whole thing there. Now you take it 3 centimeters back.
You understand?
Is that round?
No, it's not. Sorry, it is hooked up at the engine. Yes.
Men bak är det
You själva att du inte function.
Well,
But
it's protection.
yeah, but
Okay, so
Kanske måste vi skruva fast den.
well, you know, take that off. You run this. You run this down.
Insidan är den klar för då.
Vi ska dra en kabel och hit.
And then I'm taking that away anyway. Don't worry, anybody. Put that bastard on here. And then, you press it and try to press it there, and then but I'm pressing it with the 25 instead of the 35. Oh, oh, maybe we should press it.
Yes.
And then I have to then put the heat shrink over it. Is it the 25?
Yes.
Thank you. Yes.
True.
That is why you guys are here.
Så gör du för här. Ja, jag var precis så där. Men
Sen har man inte vara där. Bara så vi får 12 till. De här batterierna.
Doing this work. I'm ready for 35.
Oh, no. It kept coming out.
Maybe the walls on the shoe is a bit thinner than if you.
Yeah. They
On han har
det är ju mer än...
Ja, men förra gången vi körde hade han.
if you could just trim that a little bit, and then
Yeah.
wrap this. Nej, what am I supposed to do with this? Okay, nu.
Which one? Trim.
Well, the ground. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, just remove it, yeah. Yes?
Yes.
We're right.
Or small tires.
Nu är det
Ja, nu är den där. Ja, han har ju jobb precis.
Nej.
Nej. Ja, du har gjort mycket.
I don't want to let it down.
Nu är det nära som.
Ja.
Har du satt på batterierna bak?
No. Oh yeah, that's done.
Det är klart.
Yeah, that's totally done. Yeah.
Det är bara fram.
Ja.
Bryt ner.
Vi put one. Yes.
One seat in. Actually, and then you could put the top seat on too.
Ja, det är bara 4 skruv.
No. I mean just a bench.
Ja, det är nej men skit i
Nej,
No, it's just to lift it out. It's only the back that is.
Baksätet.
Jag hämtar det.
Ja. Det är...
Ja.
Yeah, brown painted. Here's a little song I wanna sing. There's that one.
Det ska vara med.
Yeah, no. And then there's another box. It's actually underneath. It's underneath. Yeah, on the house.
Det var säkert.
Wait. When I was saying that, I think you have to check the buzzer.
Ja, vi får klicka.
You know this link where you put the buzzer? I think it might be actually.
Underlägger.
Jag tror inte det.
Ja, de är fästning. Så det tar i... Kolla så att du tar i. Sätt in det till försiktigt.
Ja.
Va? Att det är regn idag.
Det går jeans där.
Han är hemma ikväll. Han är hemma ikväll. Vadå då? Kolla live.
Lägg in han i snett sådär och sen så...
Sin fast is gone.
It's just that it fits and then we'll take it out because I need to.
Should we put hooden?
Does it fit there all right?
Yeah.
Oh, bro. Good. I'm gonna go get the USB cable and.
Då kan vi göra så här.
Oh, is the 12 volt on now?
Nej.
Okay.
Inte det bättre.
Yeah, but the 12 volt is hooked up here.
Ska vi sätta på bakluckan?
Flytta lite grejer. Ta lite grejer.
Ja, men just just cover it so it doesn't touch because this has to be covered and because if that hits it's ground body, right? So anything that hits it and blow up. So cool. This one
Vi sökte upp det kom så bara ett software-dator.
hackers.
Precis.
Ja.
Det är bättre ni får göra det här. Kan man få ni som
Nej.
We are here for meeting.
Oh ja,
Olof.
I gotta go find the USB cable.
Yeah.
Is to get the contactors and everything to work.
Så att du får en... Ja. Du kan ju fälla upp det bakåt.
Jag ska ta. Jag har inga kabel på.
Inga alls.
Inga sådana.
Ja.
Which one are you needing?
En liten rund.
Ja, we have those in there.
Ja.
Bra tror jag.
Det är väl blå då?
Ja.
Ja.
The white one, I think.
Och då ska han stå.
I don't know if there's a link.
Jag skulle sätta så här.
Yes.
I think that's it depends on which hole you are going
Vilka kablar? Dra in den bland annat. Det här? Nu var det ut. Vi har den där vita.
Och en jord.
Vi har den där vita.
Är det verkligen bra att göra det? Ja. Koppla.
Jag tror det är batterier.
Jag hämtar batterier då.
Men vi är inte riktigt där.
Va?
Jag ska leta en burk.
Hur länge har du haft prov då? Det var typ 20 minuter.
Ja, men du har ju två. Du har ju två kablar där.
2 pluskabel och minus.
Ja, men du ska få en till pluskabel. Vet du vad du kan ju egentligen? Du måste skapa batterier.
Men nej.
Jaha.
Jag vet inte om jag kommer få in den där kabeln. Så man tar ju låna den.
Det ska? Ja. Har du sett? Den andra.
Jag tror
Den andra som här.
avgifter. Ja.
Två i år. Nej, förr. Roligt att göra det. Nej.
Det är mindre.
Det är inte mycket kvar va? Vi skruvar på hjulen alltså.
Ja,
Men vi kan väl ha kvar.
Innan man har på skyddslangen.
Men jag tror jag... Ja, jag tänkte säga.
Ja, det är det.
Men det här är lite en lögrej.
Ja, just det.
Det är kablar. Och inte dator.
De är små.
Ja, men ska vi ta det då?
Det är bara 12-volt-system.
Ja, jag menar också. Och så ska
Men kan det gamla grus göra det då? Så tar ni däcken.
Ja, jag har så tänkt.
Jag vet inte som en djur.
Du gjorde det så här på ett kall. Du kan det.
Nej.
Det är samma som han.
Skulle du få det? Skulle du dra på hjulen och så här? Vi kommer inte ihåg vad det här är. Vi är väl klara här nere?
Ingen aning.
Vad gör du?
Sure. Or Anna-Karin inside?
Yeah, she's inside.
Yeah.
Add a little bit of steel and aluminum and it'll be good.
Det är plus minus.
Yeah, okay.
Sen får.
Oh, I'm gonna finish this one. Yeah. I just can't believe we found that. Oh, beauty. Nice. Oh, you cut it shorter? You shortened it? Yeah. No, you didn't. Well, I was just gonna shorten it, but we're gonna put this one underneath that. As long as it can go under it, you know, if it goes back, as long as it goes under it like this. What do you think?
But it's not too late to shorten.
What do you think for the length here? Like that. The only thing they told me is make sure the cobble's good is like sitting on the whole thing. So it sits on that one, it's bolted on that one, and it kind of covers it across that way. That's the only thing they said because it's a shitty connection. But so I'm not sure. So this is what I thought we'd do it like this, and like that. What do you guys think? We tried it and it looked good. Mm-hmm. No comment? Come on, boys.
Vi gör något fjuligt.
You're not the students.
No.
You're the teachers.
No, we are the guy who came over to drink beer.
Oh. Yeah, but did you drink beer at the best? No, that's too high, huh? That's it. We just drive it like that, huh? Like you. If it goes down.
But that one will go down further down. So
Yeah, it'll go down quite a lot, and then it just needs to. The problem is the top of the lid is really.
Exactly.
Yeah. This whole car is so tight. The way we like it.
No. I don't know.
It's so funny, huh? It's like it's very complicated. Do you put the wire over or do you put it under?
But if we
Just
say
put
like
it,
this.
put it like this, keep this as long as possible, and then it,
And try it.
Yeah.
So we need to crimp it.
Yeah.
And in the worst case, we cut it off and put it on one more.
Yeah.
We have an extra one, and I order more.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if we say like this, do you want the plus cable or the minus cable being the top cable that might get hurt at some point, damaged? I don't know. I would take the minus.
Yeah.
That's just me.
mine is on top.
Yeah. Nice. Look at that.
Proper press.
I love this thing.
Yeah.
Straight from Kina.
Okay. Also, we have the. You just keep on pressing till you feel that you press like
Oh,
you build pressure and then it
on
then
the.
just.
Oh no, this one is just like it stops.
Okay.
Okay.
Heter du EFF?
Ja, jag vet vad det var alltså. Vad klarar du ET på?
Det var Tom som gjorde det.
Jaha.
Då är tejpen.
Ja, den är här. Jaha. A little bit around here.
Yeah, just tape it up so it's not ticklish.
One, no, but one extra layer.
Here.
Yeah, over it. Yeah.
You want me to go all the way here?
No,
No.
no, just like that. That's good.
Okay. Now, where there's a will, they say that there's a way. And then you can be happy and gay. Wait, what? Hey, now we have, like, we got to keep the Tesla theme rolling. Got lots of Tesla parts. Hey. Oh, the boys are hooking up the brain. We're hooking up some stuff. I'm gonna hook this one in. Yeah. Everything's disconnected. Ish.
Det hade aldrig gått fort att skruva ur den. Vi gjorde det direkt.
Should it be as far over like that? Red over.
You sit at FaceTime video.
Ska vi
My sister.
Får jag säga?
We'll see.
If we
Under like that.
okay, doesn't need to. No. What do you want? Full contact with the shoe.
Jag tänker att du ska dit med 3 kablar.
Yeah, it will have full contact with the shoe. It'll kind of go up and on it. I just need to do that. Get it out. We got a screw. This is there. Oh, you got the. You did. Oh.
Ja, men det var
Oh, just okay. Det blir bra där.
Preheat the shoe first.
Really? See, this is why I need an electrician here. Because that ain't on. I could fuck it up on the last thing.
No, like if you have extra, like a bubble here, like extra material here, then you need to hit from this side.
Yeah. I usually go all the way around.
Yeah. If you have this little extra thing, then you need to hit from the other side, from that side.
Yeah.
Men det är ju en mil dit och en mil tillbaks. Ja, vad fan. Sen var vi inne i huset och kollade lite där.
Farfar.
Okay. Oh, we should get our lid.
Oh, right here.
Because that'd be kind of cool. Oh, you guys got it? Oh,
Oh yeah, we got it.
we should
Ge mig till leken Olof. Leken Olof.
Should I
Locka.
put it on?
Vad fan var inte klar? Ja, chillor.
Ja.
Chillen.
Håller ju på andetag och
Really? I think it's good this way, Pussy. What do you think?
Yeah.
Det funkar jättebra där, blåbär.
Are you waiting for sparks to fly? I love how he moves back. There it is.
Är det sista kabeln?
Ja. That's the last.
Tog bara 5 dagar.
Men allt gick jävligt fort så fort vi kom hit.
Ja, absolut.
Skulle ha kommit tidigare.
Ja, kanske. But you were busy. I understand that. Most of the time, no excuses, man. But this time, no problem. I told her that, and she's like, I told you that already. I'm like, maybe you did. That was another lifetime ago. Because I was like, yeah, but everything went wide. Yeah, so I just like, flushed it on the toilet, right? But I thought it was like something.
Det är som att sätta kronan på det.
So I mean,
Det är så man
throw
gör
away
det.
all the
Man
electronics.
gör någonting coolt.
And insurance do we have? Really? You want to see something, Pussy? And everybody else.
Sista biten för att göra dem helt.
Where's the voltmeter? Please don't touch the positive and negative. There.
Säkert 1500 på plussen och minusen.
Bet. No,
Det
there.
får ett glas mjölk 1000 spänn.
No, this one.
Du vet, det är tenting eller
I heard apparently these are charged at 50%.
Okej, medan vi väntar på det där. Hämta...
What do you see?
Ska vi köra med wet wipe? Så hämta bara lite papper. Hämta en tuss papper, för jag torkar av det här lite.
How much should it have?
Det blir lite finare.
About that. It's actually no. It is 58 volts per module.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are charged at 35% right now. No. They said enough for a drive. Shall I vacuum it?
Yeah,
first?
I'll do that.
Yeah.
I think that's probably.
Let's take all the stuff out of the car. Okay, this is the only thing that's made it in this car through this whole conversion. This is the paper we used because the tank leaked gas like crazy. It's so old.
Var det därför du konverterade den till el eller?
Yeah, but fan, I mean, well, yeah, that's how the whole car stank the whole time. And because the lid was so old, the rubber was so dry. Basically, if you filled it up, it'd be like sloshing gas all over the place. It was nice. Nice.
Part of the game.
So we can take that out, is my point now. We won't be sloshing gas all over the place. Okay, shall we? We should probably cover the back lid too.
Ja.
De sa att de inte var klara där borta.
Before we close it, I guess I should take a picture of it.
0,6 liters skillnad på E8. Nu är det den 3 liters diesel. Det är en SE förut. Jag har alltid sagt SEC. Nej. Du sa SE8. Nej, du sa SE. Jag lovar du sa SE. Jag lovar du sa SE. Det är långa, det är den som blinkar.
There? Or there? Oh, there. Oh, nice. This is a lifesaver. This thing. Well.
Det är inte gjort någonting för att köra på den.
Yeah.
Ish. Sådär svårt.
Well, this is all your guys' job. Your two. These guys have been doing all this like plates, so that this thing can be attached. This is where the frame.
Yeah.
There's here's the frame.
Thin sheet metal, basically.
Coca-Cola. I believe they did that in 55. Yeah.
Let's say it.
Shall we cover it?
Yes.
Down that.
Vänta, vi gör så här.
It's gonna fit in bra.
Faktiskt byta sida, jag har min sida.
Och du får din sida.
Du får din sida.
Okay, you guys do that.
Moment of
Moment of
Det
truth.
blir svett. Jag lovar om den här inte passar.
We might need you to sit on it, but that's I mean, it's so snyggt.
Ja, vi tar bara och snygga till alla märken här. Men... Okej.
See?
Filma det här nu. Det här ska alla se.
Ta-da! Film the hair new, because it's gonna run away.
Jag måste ta kort, ja.
Should I use the gas paper to clean it?
Nej, ja, om du vill.
Well, even if she doesn't run, looks good.
It looks fucking amazing. Handsvart. Oh, handsvart.
There you go. Ish.
Oh.
Yeah, I have to cut the.
Oh, ja.
It's a funny name, Hans Bucket. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah.
Är det bara en sidospegel?
Well, you got super short bolts. We could at least just take a few things so things don't jump off. It's nice to cover the battery boxes if we actually drive out with it open. If we actually drive out with it open. Oh, I have these guys, but I do need my insects nickel. All these great Swedish words. Insects nickel. Yeah. Hey, somebody took the hooks off the battery.
Yeah.
Cool. That's good. Hey, Uffe, can you explain what CAN bus is?
Oh, canvas.
Yeah.
So
It's the black magic.
yeah. We get in the car in the school. They like a canvas, and we change a lamp.
Yeah.
And yes, it's broken. Fix a new one, and no light. For God's sake. Wow. And we take a battery pulls off and on, and then
Really?
yeah.
CAN bus.
Yes, this campus is an incredible system.
It's an incredible.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what you're trying to say is you're a fan, or a fan.
So it's not the bus from Canada.
No, it's not that.
No, but we maybe we think it is that, but it's not. But it definitely is not. Campus is.
Oh. Well, it's not gonna hop
It's a
on.
new system.
Grejen är att jag fortfarande inte vet vad canvas är.
Yeah, campus is.
I have this friend.
Yeah.
I rely on her a lot. Her name is Google.
Ja,
Yes. Yeah. We hope she worked.
We hope she's not busy.
Är det CANBUS eller?
No, CAN.
Ja,
And
CAN.
then space bus.
Okej.
Okay.
Canvas.
Okay. That's enough for that for now.
Yes.
And then now we support the guys in the rear end.
Okay. Controller area network.
Yeah, and everybody says, "Oh, it's the most popular." This is like looking for squirrels. Yeah, I better not do that. It's always bugged me. I'm like, when you put on the high beams, that's what turns on.
Okej, det är allt det. Så det är bara
But look at how thick the cables are, because it was a 6-volt system. Huh? It was like crazy thick. Like, look at those.
Det står på Google, hon som jag och Tom litar på. På Google
So,
säger att det är en
I haven't done
förstärkare.
any upgrading in the high volt system. So, but these guys will get Yeah.
Är det inte plus som går till det? Ja, det är
I can take the lid on the top box there.
Ska vi gå med hjulen?
Oh, good. No, I can't.
Eller?
Hold on. I have to cut out holes with bolts.
Ska vi sätta på hjulen?
Oh, ja. Det kanske blir bra faktiskt. Remember what I read to you, the instructions on Monday? When hooking up the system, make sure the car is off the ground.
Yeah.
I could read the safety rules again.
On the Monday, when you drive the students.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what's some happened with the wheel? But with the Porsche and the värdshuset.
Oh, I was teaching the boys what donuts means.
Yeah! We did the donuts with the Beetle. And it's like, oh shit! What's happening?
When Liam was 4 years old, I'm like, hey Liam, let's go do some donuts in the Porsche.
Yeah.
And he was so happy. And we went to Massachusetts. We're driving around and we're doing loops and everything. And he's laughing like crazy. And then we're driving out. He's like, Dad, when are we going to get some donuts? I'm like, oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
But you tell the students now.
Yeah.
Maybe I should actually help out.
Oh, actually, this is kind of nice to watch these guys work. Yeah. Yeah, actually, that little machine. Yeah, that was the little machine is the big machine. Hey, pojkarna. You guys want to eat? You guys see this? It's not. Yeah. They're
Oh my God, jag men jag tappar ju. Nej. Jag såg ju det.
You guys are welcome to go
Det var så spännande.
No, nobody's gonna fight you.
Tom,
Yo!
ska du spänna kopplingen? Spänna kopplingen.
Det var
Yeah.
Ja.
Den går jättelätt.
Yeah.
Ja, men då får det inte få
It's
ljud.
not, du får fixa det, Thomas.
No. Should I go up with it?
Vilken buss är det?
Det är både på vajer.
Vilken vajer?
Ja, här. Är det okej?
Stäng dörren då.
Nej.
Det behövs ju.
This one is
Det är så coolt.
Ska inte göra detta.
Vekas plåtslagare.
ja.
Jag körde dörren runt i luften.
Oh, that's kind of nice.
Det är Bengt, ja, han som var här i tisdags.
Nu ska vi ta... Du måste vara till sån här.
Stäng dörren den här då.
Can you step on it again? Yeah, but the funny thing is, when you start stepping on it. Yeah, and back. Yeah, it's kind of weird. It starts moving as soon as you start pushing on it. It's just really light, huh?
Ja, den är bara slag.
Ja, men alltså, börjar vi röra på sig direkt nu.
Ja, jo, det är vajer. Det ska ju, men alltså det är det.
Do you feel a difference?
Ja. Nej, jag tror inte spänna mer.
Yeah, okay.
Jag trycker inte på vajer, eller på... Tryckplattan som har.
13, va?
Ja.
Luckily it's an electric car. You don't really need this part of the car. That's why you guys build the reverse button. Oh, they made a very nice reverse button.
Okay.
Yeah. Original ivory knob, everything.
Typiskt.
Kan du hämta en kabelskotong?
Jo. So let's try 14 then. The wrench that you never use. All right. Now.
Men vänta. Tittar du kabel ska ta?
Nej.
Han ligger där.
Try that.
På bänken. Här kollar du. Ja, men ta en fisk.
Hey. You want to try that?
Vilken kabelskotång? Ja, men vilken av den stora?
Nej, inte där. Nej, det var mindre.
Inte den där lilla svarta. Den går med den.
Går man här?
Ja.
Vill du prova?
Fortsätt.
You want to put it on the clutch? Oh yeah, you're busy. Bättre? Nej.
Lite bättre är det väl.
Här
var sämst. Det här var inget bra.
No, that's the only one I actually have.
Du hade ju helt orange.
Yo, that one. That one might be the orange one that I used. Might be the reason the car won't run. Isn't this fun? Mention cars. Well, let's do that, I guess. There it is. There she is. But you can feel it right now.
Har du kollat vilka kameror?
It's it's 80s clutch Stang mute. It's kind of 80s, 90s system on a 50s. Because they made onto the electric motor, they put a big 5 volts. But because the little bolts on the original Beetle onto the 60s, late 60s, it's one big bolt with 4 pins. And the torque of this motor would just kill it. So, yeah. I think I gotta go to maximum. Okay, try the clutch again. Lite bättre?
Ja, mycket bättre.
More.
Jag tror inte det.
Jag tror det är bra det. Ja. As long as like. Ja. Det är bra det. Det funkar det från början nu. Ja. Fan. As long as we have like, as long as it comes off. Because you just put it in gear and leave it there. Or you just push a button. Yeah. Well, I mean, the clutch is ready. Now we can put the wheels on, yeah. Yes. Yeah. So, I never go with the, I go like this. Oh yeah, that's 19, right?
Yeah.
And you don't do that one. Yeah. We have this one. because we don't want to scratch the metal. You teach them to always put it in by hand first. Did you say?
Ja, nu.
Better than
Ja, det var så
putting it
tajta
in
först
for-
med armarna
Byter du
först.
bak?
Yes.
Ja. Det kan du byta.
Bra. Yeah.
Did
You do that. Yeah, I'm a good teacher. I'm a good teacher. Where's the last one? The best teacher. But what do you do now? Now I don't do it by hand. Huh?
Is it?
No, I do that.
Ah. Ja. Hopp och drömmar och gängrace.
Perfect. Perfect. Yes. Just a quick version. Perfect. Together correctly. We had everything apart to get to this one. Oh, perfect. And we have to get these hooks in there. See? Now, if it starts, this will be a small miracle if it actually starts. It actually works. This is how much faith I have in myself. No. Yeah, do you see the rear end now? I've been telling people we're gonna show them the rear end, but you know, you have to ignore the little cut stuff first. Hey, can I ask somebody here who hooked up the DC-DC converter?
Säkert. Nej, det var Olof. Ja, det var Olof. Ja, det var det.
Oh, Tom.
Yeah,
Ja, kolla. Lucka där. Det lyser i box. What color is it? Green.
Green?
Yeah.
Go for green, baby. So you guys actually put the so the negative is red and the positive is black. Yeah. Okay. Det är bra. As long as I know. I just, you know, I'm like, hey, look, whoa, we have lights. Well, if nothing else, we got lights on the thing.
Yeah, nice.
Even Europe, that's all we wanted.
Yeah, sure. We put it down the name. Is everything alright?
It was 5 days of work to get a nice LED.
Yeah.
Right on, boys.
Thank you.
Ja, vi vet i alla fall att elen är kopplad till motorn. Det vet vi.
Ja.
Nu är det moment of truth. Kommer man driva?
It's going to take a little bit of programming now.
Ja, nu är det programmering.
Yeah.
Nu är det sista delen. Ska vi sätta på?
Oh, man. Yeah, that's a bit funny.
Och där är fjärde. Ja, fjärde. Den har han. En fjärdedel är inte där. Säkert, sätt på den här som kaplarna.
Jaha,
Åh, det är kids.
I want to put up the cable so nothing's dragging on the axles, for example.
Jag tror jag kommer ihåg att han gick ner. Ja,
Details.
han ska. Jag startar nu.
Det kan ju bli.
I have. That's the wiring. But we should be able to get like basically, we should be able to get it to drive.
Vill du anka alltså? Verkar det?
Ja?
Ja, verkar det? Verkar det vara.
Okej.
Och om det...
Kapten på.
Åh jävlar. Nu.
Skitsnyggt.
Lukas på andra sidan nu.
Ja. Tappar inte.
Nej.
Oh, it's going pretty good. You can come out though. I gotta work on things. All right. Oh, you're there. Well, I gotta program the car now, but we got some power somewhere. Okay. We don't know. Nobody knows. That's the whole thing with this car. Nobody ever knows. All right. Okay. See you. Okay. Okay, you guys want to read? Yeah, configuration mode. Check canvas, enable, set standard speed, 250
Nu går den tillbaka in och så är det design.
Yeah. Damn. Well, I'm just thinking. Where's Anna-Karin's purse? I should read the instructions, but I'm just too tired. This is a kind of big orange plug. Hey, anybody know where like the high voltage plug is?
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Ja, jag tänker precis samma.
Check everything many times before you plug this in. So if you want a big key on your key, you just take this with you in the purse and nobody can ever steal the car. No, pretty good, huh?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna let you buy one of these and walk around in your pocket. For sure. Oh, shall we?
We ready, boys?
Kind of like.
Is there like
Well, this
explain,
closes.
Explain.
Oh, okay.
Explain
Would you like me to explain what this is?
Explain.
You know what this is? Everybody knows what this is.
Engelska eller på svenska?
För fan. Jag kan köra med både och, men vad vill du ha? I'm gonna explain in English.
And I Swedish.
Yeah, he's gonna translate.
Yeah, I translate.
This.
Yeah.
So the circuit is all open still, right? The high voltage, the big orange cables, they're still open. So this, when you stick it in, it closes the high voltage system. So round, go around, yeah. So the whole thing can loop around. If you don't have this in, you can't drive. This is just a big switch thing.
Yeah. Som alla säger.
So before you plug this in, you're supposed to like look at things many times. Or pray, whatever you believe. Shall I?
Yeah, sure. Let's try it.
Well, nothing's blown up yet.
No.
Now we have to just wait and see if there's like smoke coming out anywhere. I don't know. I'm not sure what to believe, really.
You must believe on yourself.
All right. Well, now you guys eat and be merry, and I'm gonna think, I guess.
Mary?
I gotta turn everything off.
Olof?
Everything in the key and stuff is on, huh? Like it's all. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Felix and Olof.
Allt är kopplat och lyssnar, tror jag.
Okay.
Vi vet ju inte det.
Nej, vi ska testa.
Ja, we will do that now.
Nu?
Ja, men vänta. I need to. I think it's better the directions first.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you?
Yeah, I know. This is the problem. Well, no, it's just configure mode, general configuration, software setup and testing. Low voltage wiring, we're done all that, software setup and testing, done this. Ignition. I guess we got to plug in the computer, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you find the cable?
Yeah, I did. Amazingly enough. Yeah, the funny place I found it was in the printer.
Really?
Yeah. I've never seen this cable until today. Yeah. Okay. Wrong end. Yeah. You guys don't have to be so quiet. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. This is awesome. Who knows how to work Windows?
Windows.
See? You gotta turn this thing on.
Windows?
Well, this is. Oh, this is just a Bluetooth, isn't it? No, okay. You do Windows, don't you? I do Mac one. Huh? This is just the Bluetooth one that came up. Huh?
Yeah, well, it's window.
Yeah, this is what I opened. I think it's only sensing the Bluetooth module in the car.
Man kan ju se så att laddningen så att säga.
Ja.
För laddningen,
Ja.
Bluetooth on laddningen.
Where do you see all the things that are connected? Somewhere here, isn't it? Anyway. Loading parameters from BMS.
Nice.
Oh wait, discover legacy devices. Can devices. Discover legacy devices. Drag to main screen. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Where's the any key? Yeah. Oh, I'm so not a Windows guy. So need to be. Discover devices, please. Yes. always good to screen see two columns. Whoa. Too much stuff. Can you pass me the iPad there? Huh? Just gotta go with so many. This is so quiet here.
Yeah. We are listening to you.
It's not
listening to you.
They're not good to listen to.
Jag tror tyckte det var det jag sa.
Make sure that.
Ja. Okej, det var kanske för det. Ja. Bra. Så jag måste
Ska inte hela Felix. Inte så mycket tid. Hur mycket tid finns det kvar, Morgan?
Vi har börjat om streamen.
Jag har gjort
vi har 12 timmar då.
Absolut. Ja, då är det så här. Då finns det hopp så är det ju att nu håller Tom på att kolla på installation och sånt där och ja, men. Och vi har kört i 5 dagar idag. Långa dagar. Och Tom har bjudit oss på mat och vi har skola på lunch. Vi ska se hur det går här med.
Kan inte du som är så datateknisk fixa det?
Ja, kanske jag kan få lov att bryta in här lite grann, men hon vill inte lämna ifrån sig. Han har 2 datorer. Men det var...
And one instruction.
Ja, just det. Så det var mer jämnt om vi fått in var, men han vill ha 2 datorer och en instruktionsmanual.
I didn't train this part. The idea was we'd be done earlier, and they would connect to the car over Wi-Fi.
Yeah.
And they would just configure it. But then I had to phone them quickly and be like, well. Good.
Uppkopplad.
Well, yes, it did something.
Så Tom håller på med uppdatera de sista grejerna nu.
Han håller på att trimma med chippa lite.
Ja.
Ja. 300.
Det var inte så bra tid.
Och Tom tror jag är riktigt glad att tacka Älvdals gymnasium också för eleverna som har varit dygnet runt. Eller hur?
Ja.
Ja.
Det är fantastiskt.
Jag är inte bara så stressad idag.
I definitely say thanks to the big boys.
Man känner sig trött.
To everybody helping out.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Ja, och ni som vill se Drömpyramiden 7:30, ni får streama det kanske på Morgans kanal. Imorgon eller något sånt där. Imorgon.
Ingen med YouTube.
Nej, ingen med YouTube. Imorgon så kör vi ring så spelar vi. Från 7:30 till 10. Sen kommer melodikrysset. Ikväll ska vi köra bilen.
Ja.
Hela kvällen.
Ja.
Vi får se om vi finner det.
Just det. Ja.
Vad gör den här sladden?
Vi vill gärna tacka Helena och skolan också för att vi har fått den här chansen.
Ja. Nej, skolan. Ja, jag med. Fast jag tror att det står på mark. Ja, jag tror att det kommer bra till. Det låter nog så. Jag kan inte känna det. Ingen aning, ingen sensor, ingenting om det.
Ingen om.
Ghostbusters.
Uniform?
Yeah. Anybody seen my
Danny phone?
Yeah.
Jaha. Ja, bra. Nu är det spännande. Ja, om du gjort all rätt kopplingen. Det har inte smält. Det är bra.
Det ryker inte.
Nej. Man testar mycket. Nej. Men allt är kopplat bak fram. Han ville ju, han sa att det skulle
Trying to follow these instructions here. But he
ja. Det är OB.
No.
Men det
I'm just I'm supposed to go to a different side here. So I was just going to kind of go backwards through it. I need to go to auto connect to BMS. Okay, auto connect to BMS. Yes. And then we have note in very rare occasions USB driver is not installed automatically, but I think this would show that it's not installed. Like it did download the data from the BMS. So that's one thing. I mean, one thing we can do is just start the process again. And this is the part that I haven't done. I had to do that at some point. It was a long time ago. Occasion drivers. Channel configuration there. What? Before when I turned it on and I did this, I was able to see all this, and now I can't. So.
But the angle.
The cable is long. You got lots of cable. So that's it. That was just very rare. But what we can do is just shut the program down one more time and start over again.
Är det något fel?
Är det felkopplat?
Well, I need to get into the configuration to see the modules. Yeah, so I did that. Did you restart it?
No, asking
Well, okay. Yeah. But where do we like see it says auto connect to BMS? Yes. It says CAN devices discover legacy. And I need to get that to that button discover legacy. See here. I need to watch it. Can devices. And here there was supposed to be a drop down that said discover. Like we gotta basically. Okay. Yeah. To can devices and discover legacy. And this is where basically you see two columns. Slide one column to the right side. Basically, stuff is supposed to show up here, and we push it over here.
Då satt jag där på början. Så ett kort på slutet där jag bara ligger död på backen.
But I never did that. Yeah, but I never did that before. Discovering anything? This one is there's a. Oh, shit. I didn't turn the key on.
Det ser röd på varandra. Det är lite spray. Bra skolan.
The emergency stop was on.
Ja, switchen.
Nej.
Tryckte in den.
Den ska vara ute.
Ja, usually.
Ja, det kan vara felet.
Oh, but we'll see. I'm not saying anything. He hasn't seen. I just don't know if any of those things are closed or open or. Yeah, basically, so it's just not. That's where it's supposed to. That's where it's supposed to be. That's supposed to show. Yeah, there. Let's see here.
Jag hade puddat 50%. Han svarade inte.
Alltså, det är ingen...
We did that and here.
Klicka på den. Klicka i det lät.
Det lät klicka man verkligen så. Oops. Tappa motorn.
Emergency switch is on.
It's
Ignition is on.
Ignition is on.
Okay.
But see, this is the part where it says check communication, set the can. Yes, we had that. That's all there. That was all pre-configured already. Selector type CCS underneath the header current communication type is under it is, yeah. Under CCS underneath the header current calibration value. That's
Sluta tänka på det jag sa.
Två tack.
We need to configure. All we need to do is like tell we have 2 battery packs. When those, it's just.
It's not then.
8 sådana här. Eller 4. Och så 4.
Tänk dig blotta lite. Det är ganska stort.
Ja.
Jo.
Nej.
Ja.
You can't say.
Du ska ta 24. Nej, men om man skär av det är 2 på rad så här. Och så tar man bort det. Det är ganska stort.
Du får bygga.
Och så ska de gå så här.
Det finns mycket bra. Det var en V8 var mindre.
Calibrate sensor brake. We can raise it below 0 and close the circuit break.
Ja, men kanske inte.
Han var fan kall alltså.
Jag tror det.
Yeah, that was
just...
just-
Ni startade nu.
That's just
Ni startade nu. Ja, så man får bli varm.
no, but that's just
Jaha, så batteriet kommer där.
we need to get the batteries on first. Configure CAN modules. Here we go. This is the part we need to do. Check CANs enabled. I think they configure the standard speed. Go to configuration devices selection. Parallel. Yeah, this is the parallel one. Master.
Va?
Det var det först.
Nej, men vem han? Nej.
Va?
Vem var han? Det var en kille som var med.
Ja, han var hemma hos Uffe. Ja. Nej, men när jag pratade med telefon på honom snackade om hans yngsta. Skulle käka.
Just not seeing
Det kan vara han som kör olja.
Okay. Okay.
Hur går det då? 10, 4, 9. Går det utanför? Ja.
Go to configuration.
Mot spegeln och mot stav.
This is the part that's just unconfigured. Now drag all the
Däremot
modules
särna blir det
from
också.
the box and then compare to the left.
Färgårdsvägen.
Yeah, exactly. No proof modules can be.
Ja, det blir modell.
So this is where
Ja,
we're at. There's
Ja, men
den korsningen där. Mot den då.
Ja.
Svänger man höger hamnar vi skulle ta oss. Vi ska hem.
Yeah.
That's det är fruset, ska vi bada lite?
Ja.
Det är fan strömt där.
Ja.
Nej.
Lite svårt. Så jag kommer inte få rätt under isen.
No, it's on the 10 blocks. So I don't think we're showing this guy.
Crunchy. Läggen. Det är ju lampor. Sen är ljudet där. Just 2 sekunder för det här.
Is there anything?
Ja, gör det. Men vad fan. Testa nu. Sätt den mot båda fingrarna och kolla.
Yeah, because we do have a
Har du på
red light in the behind.
Ja, det går.
Du måste ju hålla in kvar den red light. Nej, man vill inte.
Nej, gör det. Det är för att man har mest lysa. Ja, det är för själv att lysa.
Står det 000?
Nej, 5, 4,
Det går ju så oändligt.
4.
Ja, men då är det oändligt.
Nej, vadå oändligt? Jag menar...
Ja, om du släpper så är det oändligt. Släpp. Det går,
Ja.
det går igenom. Ja. Har vi problem?
Yo.
Vadå?
Nej.
Well, the car, like, we can't see any of the modules, any of the batteries, eh? So basically, like, we're trying to connect to the batteries because all we have to do, like, the motor is pre-configured, everything's pre-configured for us.
Yeah.
All we had to do is go in there and write in that it's parallel connected. So we're running 2 battery packs, they're parallel connected, and I just kind of that's it. Like, it's pretty quick to configure it. And yeah, then once you basically slide things from the right screen to the main screen to then you hit commit to configure and you're done. that's when the contactors will click and you can close them and then you can drive.
Okay.
Because it has to itself has to sense what kind of batteries you have, how many batteries you have, what it's supposed to be feeling. So yeah. And so like my hunch or suspicion is just for example, like when I wired up the front CAN bus, did I do it right? Or, you know, just the CAN bus wire. Like I just have to go over all the CAN bus connections.
We tried the CAN bus that we soldered.
Yeah.
And those were good.
Those are good. Yeah.
With the multimeter.
Okay.
Oh.
We could take a look at the ones from the front battery pack. But I mean, if those are good.
Det är den jag gjorde då.
Oh.
Det kan vara den. Vilken då? Därifrån och så till.
Yeah, but that's the ones you said.
Nej, vi kan inte testa. Nej. Vilken var det vi? Testade den som var bak. Ja, just det. Nej, det var ingenting.
Oh, you tested the current sensor?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. We haven't tested the CAN bus yet.
Nej, det gick ju inte. Vi kommer ju inte åt kabeln på baksidan. Vi kan inte kolla bakom skallen.
Nope. Not really. We'd have to take the battery modules apart. And the problem is those stupid things are at the bottom.
Men det lyste en röd lampa på.
Ja, I saw that.
Vad är det? Är det för att för den slocknar ibland när man rör på polarna? Dålig kontakt. Kan vara dålig kontakt kanske? Nej. För den slocknar ibland.
Ja, but... I don't think so. I mean...
The battery connectors are pretty bad.
Are pretty... Yeah, but that's okay.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't take much power to be running. The computer is connecting to the BMS. That's no problem. That's all doing that. It's just that it can't find the modules.
Okay.
And so that's all that's on the CAN bus is the modules.
What about those wires that broke off?
Yeah, it could be that. There's two of those, but those two, it should have been. You should be able to see the others.
Yeah.
You know, like it just can't see anything. So let's say the CAN bus system is like connected well to the back.
Yeah.
Battery box, it would see the one battery box, but not the front one. Here, it's not seeing anything.
We put the canvas from the batteries to the computer, right? Det kan inte vara att vi har gjort fel där då?
No, allting kan bli fel där.
Kolla
Jag kan bara komma på den kabeln ifrån
han sa precis det, då hade han sett dem bak.
Ja, men de små kablarna framifrån den lilla boxen.
Canvas.
Nej, inte... Vad heter det?
Vadå?
The brain. Då har jag slut i huvudet.
Den lilla...
Den som var glatt bit fram. Det var inte glatt bit, men den som låg skitsnett. Innan vi ligger i batteriboxen. Med plåten, den under plåten. Efter säkringen kom ju...
Relä.
Det är relä eller vad det är.
Nej.
Det var ju ena kabeln som inte satt på helt.
Det är canvasen som kan.
Det är canvasen.
Ja. Sitter det... Ska du ha ett elschema så du ser? Men jag tror det ligger kvar där. Nej, jag tog bort det. Vart är det nu? Du vet inte vad du vill ha. Elschema var... Because I didn't really understand.
Men på porten var det elschema.
Vi hade det inne i bilen. Jag vet inte vad jag
The friend in Netherlands is watching. And he's like, do you have a CAN dongle to sniff the CAN bus to see where any of the traffic information is placed? We don't have any of that.
De är klara. Och det är ju helt...
the red one. But does that come from those batteries or this battery?
No, this battery.
This
12 volt.
battery.
Yeah.
That.
Okay. Where is it coming from?
It is a red wire from the batteries.
Yeah.
There is no plus from this one. There.
Yeah, but we have to have that.
Ja, men då är det det som är det.
Okay.
Vadå?
Yeah.
Vadå?
Yeah, because 12 volt is just from here.
Yeah,
That's
but
the 12.
then it's that. Då är det fel, tror jag.
Okay.
Canvas problem.
Where?
Yeah.
On
Right.
the left side there. Down there where, in the box.
Yeah.
What?
Where the
Everything about the canvas.
Basically, this one, right?
Oh, that.
I'm not the
This one.
doctor.
Yeah.
12 volt plus. That's from here.
Ja, det ska ju vara det, men
Where did it come from?
it was a red wire on the
Yeah,
canvas.
yeah. You know everything about it.
I don't know anything about it.
Det kan vara så.
The
No.
colors and
So like a spoke.
Så du säger att vi ska dra in 2 kablar till då?
Nej.
Fattas det en?
nej.
Den här.
12 volt plus function 12 volt output description 12 volt output to CAN group module to it, not from it.
Så det där, oh. Det är 12 volt out.
Har du koll på Olof?
Input to power banner managed HV plus 12 volt input. That one you put in,
Yeah,
and that's one where.
the 12 volt input.
Yeah, but that one you put in.
Yeah,
I mean that's why it's all lit up.
yeah,
No, then it should be no. That's not wrong.
yeah.
The 12 volts. I mean there was a red wire
Yeah.
from the canvas. Yeah, you hooked that up.
That is 12 volt out. It comes 12 volt from the box out to the canvas.
To the canvas.
Oh,
Probably. Yeah.
Är det det som är fel?
nej.
Probably not. Oh, sorry. I mean, those wires are all hooked up correctly. I think like our problem here is just not seeing anything. Like it's not seeing, and I feel like it's
Ja, ska du inte skruva dit den där sista grejen då på kabeln?
Vilken då?
Den vajern bara. Fast det finns ingenstans att sätta.
Nej, men den spelar nog ingen roll, va? Det var bara en jord.
Jo, det är bra.
Ja, vilken jord?
Det var ju 5.
Det var ju...
En utan högivning.
Yeah.
But when we put it in there, we only used 4 because it was just like many small wires.
Oh no, not that.
Nej.
No, because it doesn't say that. It's only shows you to
Ja.
put in those.
Ja, precis.
Yeah, that was only the current sensor had the 5th one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vad händer om ni vrider nyckeln nu då? Eller?
Ingenting. I did. And like the contactors and nothing is gonna hook up because it's not activated. That's the thing.
All right.
So
But the canvas is not connected yet to the chargers.
it doesn't need to be.
But at the end of the cable you have a 120 ohm resistor as a closure.
No, yeah, I do. Yeah, in that battery box, the 120 resistor is there. Yeah. So that closes it, and then there's one in here. The other resistor is right there.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So that the canvas loop is closed. And on the chargers, it actually goes from the chargers to it, so it's closed already. Like it's not. It's running from each one to here.
Yeah, okay.
So that's a loop there. So I mean, those are all in place. I just
And do you have the address of the CAN bus system? A specific number? Because
that
in
that
this
one that one totally over my head. That question. I have the address where we are.
This one is parameters.
No.
That's a kind of an ID number.
Yeah.
And with that one it's going to communicate. I guess.
I'm just gonna. The other guy from the Netherlands.
Okay, I see.
Hello. Hi. Yeah. Do you have a moment we can bother you on Friday night at 10 o'clock?
Yeah. Anyway, and I was checking. I was just installing the image software on my computer.
Okay.
To see whether there's any way to look on the raw CAN data.
Yeah. Yeah. We have another guy from Netherlands here.
Hi, Steph here.
Hi.
Hey. I didn't find anything yet raw data. There's a little file created. That doesn't make sense to me. The only thing I can imagine is that there's also a device CAN ID based parameter. That's,
I'm in the menu of the BMS control panel. Are you to the top?
Yeah, yeah.
Then there's this CAN device.
Yeah.
And then the button discover devices.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to have the discover devices on.
Yeah.
The
First
legacy
you have,
devices.
The legacy.
Yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't find anything.
Nothing. Zero.
Then I think it must be in the hardware of the bus.
Yeah.
Chances that you have misconfigured all 4 cell group units isn't likely.
Well, it's the. But if I understand it correctly, isn't it the? Isn't sorry. Basically, like the CAN bus, it goes from the front battery pack. It connects to the from the front one to the one right beside it. And then from the battery pack, it goes to the rear one, connects from like one module to the next module, and then from there it goes to the EMUS, the main brain. And so if the cable from here to, like we have to extend that, if that cable is not connected correctly, you won't see anything.
No, but I also listened about your termination.
Yeah.
What is important? I'm not 100% sure whether it's strictly important as these relatively short distances. But if your EMS master is second thyristor in the back box,
It's in the main box, like it's in the main EMS box, like it's and it's So basically, this is the main box where the CAN bus hooks into. That's one resistor.
call that the brain.
The brain, exactly, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And then so you have a resistor in there that's on.
Okay.
That's on a 1.
Okay.
1 is on, I think, right? 0 is not on. And then it goes out, the canvas cable goes out to the first, like to the rear battery pack, and then from the rear battery pack, it goes to the front battery pack.
And how about the chargers?
Yeah, the chargers just look pretty for now.
We tried to just hook it up so we could run it. So they said we should do that. I just want to see it. Yeah, I have it hooked up like that. It's exactly.
Yeah. Can you measure resistance? Yeah. Can it measure resistance?
I have some electricians here.
Was that one doesn't. Shouldn't I?
No, okej.
Nej, jag skojar bara.
Ja.
Du kan bara här.
Where do you want to measure the resistance?
Well, depends how easy you can access things. So the termination resistor in the brain is or a physical resistor.
That's a physical.
Can you access?
Like the.
For example, in the brain,
No.
there's
Like the red.
a high going in and a can low going in.
Oh, like positive, negative.
It's like
Wait a second. Can high. And low. There's only 4 of the. Can roll. Yeah, so we can access those.
Men nu är inte Olof med. Men då måste du hålla igen. Så ska jag hålla in.
Du släpper.
Oj.
Ska jag släppa det?
Nej, det är inte slutet.
Och mäta. Det är därför det finns ingen pip.
Så var det ljus.
Let's see. Okay, here we go. Can roll is 10. No. Oof. Second.
Oj.
That's optional. That's not connected to anything. And then the only we have connected is.
Men du, vi kanske trycker lite firmware och där.
Jag som vill åka ner och svetsa 740 på listan.
Ja, men det kan du göra.
Ja, det får du.
Oh, now we're hard time.
Jag orkar. Jag vet inte om jag har någon vinterdäck så jag kan inte ta med det. Det har vi
Yeah, we don't have that actually. Or does it have that? Yeah.
Ja, det plåtfärg på samen.
Okay.
Jag köper en boll.
Okay, so the brain is connecting by
Seriöst?
Ja.
Du, Albert han hade en...
They just.
Duett.
No, that's optional. In this one, it says it's optional.
Kan vi läsa yngsta soppen här?
Ja.
Så hans äldre bror har ganska duetter.
I am on
Så jag
page
köpte en duett.
16.
Och sen två växlar.
17.
Okay.
Bra.
Oh, 17.
Ja,
No.
men jag hör på hela tiden.
And then if you look on, page 11, we're only using the bottom left side.
Men det som Tim har.
The bottom left side.
Den
on page 11. So you have the gray wire, the green wire, the red wire, and the ground.
Ja. Sen kan man brorsa. Han är skogshuggare.
left side page. Perhaps my page numbering is.
Just where you have the picture of the brain. Basically.
You would the 17 pin connector.
Jag petar bort spärren.
Oh, sorry. I have the manual that I sent that to you. It's like 452-page manual that they sent me. EV here. That's why.
It's an 8-pin connector on the.
Yeah. I've got it. The manual EV Hype version 1.33 .pdf.
Could be.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, EV Hype. Yeah, version 1.33. Yeah, and so on go to 11 first.
Oh, 11. Okay.
Jag kommer ihåg sen vi gick här.
That's the brake. Yeah. Okay.
And you see, yeah, exactly. And bottom left of the picture of itself, that's where the can is connected into.
Yes.
And we're only using those ones. So the far left, bottom left one is gray, and you have a green one, and the next one red, and all brown. Those are the only ones that we have connected.
Okay.
Yeah, and because the picture doesn't give me pin numbers.
Yeah, that you have to go through 16.
Which one that is? Okay.
Fråga igen.
Ja, men det finns en
Pin
här.
layout, 17 pin
De
connector.
är. Istället för
And then when you go down to page, No, sorry, that's the 17 pin connector. Yeah, actually, let me just check something. Wait a second. Oh, you guys didn't plug this in.
Nej.
Nej.
Är du seriös?
Ja.
Oh my god.
Can you turn the...
Bara så att de ska hänga.
Oh my god.
Där har vi det.
Ge det. Alltså, jag ska vara med på bilden. Är du seriös?
You just kind of lay it.
Ja, just det.
Oh my god.
The main one.
Fan, jag tänkte på det förut.
Det kan inte vara det.
Han såg oss i måndag.
That's why this was like...
Ja, den lös ju, så jag tänkte inte på det.
Oh, but it was barely...
Ja, nu slocknade.
It was barely in.
Ja, det var på Ljungberg som skulle dubbel- och trippelchecka allting.
Ja.
Hörru, vi hittar problemet.
Ja,
Det kan.
Nu, moment of truth.
well, moment of truth. No, it's just...
Nu.
Okay. The 17 pin connector wasn't connected. But now...
Den här. Jag och Olof skulle gå in.
So, we'll just retry.
Bara för de är jag blir sitta.
I don't know if it's gonna do anything, but it was like, it was just sitting against it.
Probably doesn't make a difference for canvas functioning because the output is optional.
Yeah, but the 17 pin connector was connected to the motor, doesn't it? For it or not?
Yeah, but not for BMS to make up. I don't see anything that BMS depends on just to communicate with its separate module.
Yeah, but the coming from the 17 pin connector on the canvas was kind of, it was on, but it was touch and go. I don't know where were we? Discover. How do I do that here? Nothing, eh?
No, you have to discover device.
Yeah, okay, so I got it. It's these grayed out things, you know. I want a big green button. Hit this now.
Jag tänkte på det där så jag höll på med det rulla fri. Men jag tänkte bara fråga Tom hur man gjorde.
Yeah, so I mean, It had power, but there is a red in the brain. Top left corner.
Jag kan köra ner om inte det fast du.
Ja, det har inte något med det. Nu måste vi fundera. Ja, det har en tankställ.
Ja.
You want some juice?
Nu ringer det.
Ja.
Ja.
Yeah, because what you guys call the brain is a combination of the BMS unit
Exactly.
with some custom connectors and things that Europe designed around it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's where everything basically plugs into.
Om vi får till det här,
Which isn't very complicated.
Yeah, but also not very well documented.
What?
It's a big manual, but the majority is
Oh,
EMS documentation.
Yeah, I was going to say the majority is mostly EMS. I mean, it's only the first few. Yeah.
Oh.
I mean, these are the only parts
So
that you see.
what is important to check is if you look at it at the brain from orientation as it is also in that manual.
That's the way we are seeing it. Yeah.
The corner with the DB9 connector, so the bottom left-hand side.
Yeah.
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 Can you measure the resistance between the two most left pins?
Oh, okay.
That's can low corner, and the one next to it is can high.
Okay.
Det var 3 kvar.
Anything there?
Should be without the beeper. Did
No.
you continue to test now? It
Yeah, that
should
was
be
just a
60.
test.
Yeah, that was a test. But
Yeah,
it's,
but it should be 60 ohm.
There's nothing there.
No resistance.
no.
Okay. Then it is indeed a hardware problem. Because over there, you should be able to measure can high and can low.
Okay.
Because the termination resistors, each bridge between those two cables, one at the front and one at the back, 120 ohm each. So the resistance between those lines should be 60 ohm. And if you're not measuring 60 ohm, there's a disconnect somewhere.
Yeah. And because I can't even see the rear battery box, is where the cables go to first. That's probably that. Well, that's where I start with. Is basically that connection.
Yes.
And you go back
And
to
then in the rear battery box,
Yeah.
what you can do is let's see. In the cell group module, there goes a micro fit connector. So really small model, one, right?
Yeah, you mean like the CAN bus one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's connected, and I just connected it like, to the next one and to the next one and to the next one. So, but I'm just saying, like, I have nothing. We have nothing going from there to the back one, and that's why like it's all dead. So I mean, if that one was okay, but then the front one wouldn't be. Basically, I have to work my way forward. I think.
Yeah.
Just start with that one and go on like that. So I think that's it. I think we'll leave it for tonight because we've all worked pretty hard, and I think we need to take a break, and then I can troubleshoot these, get some new connectors, and redo it basically. Yeah. I think that's what I need to do.
And what's also a good idea to get is a can sniffer, a can dongle.
Yeah, the thing you sent me a link to it.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, okay.
Sent you that.
Okay. If you can send me a link to that or something, that'd be great.
I will. Yeah.
Thank you very much for your time. That was awesome.
All right. You're welcome.
All right.
And enjoy
sleeping.
what you have reached as a team.
Yeah, no, we have. I think of course, everybody wants to jump in the car, but we'll do it one day. They've done it, that it was doable. So that's what's important. Yeah. All right, Lars. Thank you. Yeah.
Well, have a good night's sleep.
Okay.
Afterwards.
Okay.
All right.
Bye, Lars. Yeah. All right, boys.
Har vi hittat felet?
Ja, vi hittade första felet.
Det var den där.
Nej. You know, I think we had enough power in there. You know, it was that's why it lit up. You know, it was pushed in, so it was like touching, and it gave it enough power to feed the brain. And but those cables, the CAN bus cables, you know, that were soldered, basically from here to the back box, there's something wrong with that, because it's not getting a signal. So you know how it goes from here to the back battery box, and then it's cross connected to that. If that first one worked, it would at least see the rear module, but then it was just a pre-done cable, so that one should work. So we should see the back two packs anyway, but we don't see any packs. And so yeah, basically I have to go through the connectors and do that up. I don't know, no, but as Lars said, I think you guys should be really happy and proud of what you've done this week. You've worked super hard. I really appreciate you guys coming early, staying late like crazy.
Vi kom sent alla dagar förutom måndag.
Yeah. And so yeah, that was awesome. We will get her driving. It would have been nice to end off with a bit of a party drive. For sure, of course. But I think the thing to take away is that we did finish it to this point. That was huge to be able to get to this point. And maybe you guys learned a thing or two.
Yeah. Oh.
You know, I don't know if you guys have done much stuff with computers, but the worst thing at this point is that basically, you know, we fixed one stupid cable, and the thing comes to life. But the car, it's its own safeties. The safety is here that like it won't turn anything on and it won't close the contactors, so we won't have high voltage until everything checks out okay. If it can't talk to it, it won't do it, right? So that's why it won't start. But it will be pretty quick and easy to quick. I'll retract that word. We know where to chase it down. So yeah.
Yes.
So I think that's where we'll leave it. Thank you for watching. Thanks for just having us in the background. Hope you guys enjoyed enjoyed the project, enjoyed the idea. I really enjoyed working with the students. I think that was awesome. It was something I work alone all the time, and this was awesome to have these guys here, and awesome to feel like they listen really well. Like I say something, and then next time they go do it, they've done it. It's amazing. They do it that way. You could see how much better they get every day, and so that was pretty awesome. Unfortunately, the CAN bus thing, we had to rush through it, of course, to try to get it done. But you know, everybody was just hammering on to try to make it run, and so I wasn't able to check how things are soldered and like separating the things. So yeah. Will we do a proper video in the future? Yeah. Will we do a proper video on the car? Yeah, of course we will do a proper video on the car. We're going to. There's a lot more to do on this car, as you've seen. What the cool thing is we've taken this Beetle, we've taken the motor out, we've put in the drivetrain, the electric drivetrain. We've done all that, but there is going to be. This was a live stream, so people can just watch what we did and how we did it. And but we're gonna shoot together a video. Once we get it going, we'll of course we'll do one. It's gonna be a bit later though, and there is a lot more to add to this car: chargers, hoods, all that stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Yes. Thanks, guys. So I have to say one more time. Thanks to the crew. There we are. Hope you learned something new today. All right. Cool. Key here, huh?
En, två kablar som var...
Men om det var grafik så hade det funkat.
Ja, det var så här. Men det är någonting som var helt disconnectat. Så.